There are many places you can visit in Mmte, Davao Oriental, but when it comes to tourist attraction, a quick recommendation by the locals would be Dahican Beach. That is if you really like to hang out on beaches. Dahican Beach is a beautiful 7-kilometer-long stretch white sand beach. Swimming in the beach Sorry to blow your bubble, but this may not be the best one because, I say this much because I have been there, the waves are not normal. By that I mean, after all, this is a very no surfing site in the area. Talk about clean beaches, Dahican would probably won with the highest scores. You can prove it with your own eyes and the presence of fishes swimming around. You can actually see them most of the time when the wave pulls back from the shore. Locals say that at times when the waves are not that huge, need not to go far to catch big fishes. We tried swimming when the waves are not that big. However, time eventually came when you cannot literally go swimming because the waves are too strong to stand against. You'll flip back to the shore, and all of us tried it. If you are brave enough to try surfing, most resorts were surfing boards and instructors. In Dahican Surf Resort where we stayed last time, you can have surfing lesson at 400 Philippine pesos per hour. That's a pretty decent price actually. It's just that time there's no available instructor to teach me, so I think I saved 400 Philippine pesos. Locals and friends in Dahican say there is actually a beach at one end of Dahican where the wave is not that huge and good for swimming as well. I guess we'll go there next time. By the way, if you want to choose Dahican Surf Resort, there's an entrance fee of 100 Philippine pesos. And we got a table by the beach for free. They have rooms you can choose to stay as well as a place where you can order food, coffee and drinks. There are many resorts around Dahican Beach you can choose from, like Batona Beach Resort, Tropical Canacbay among others. Expect a long ride to get to Dahican Beach. If you are from Davao or Tagum City, it takes about 3 hours to get to the beach. However, the views going there are astounding. You'll even pass through the iconic, sleeping dinosaur, a land formation that resembles an ancient creature. Dahican Beach is a beautiful site to go chilling out with friends though, and just enjoy the waves, the very long soft white sand and beautiful views. Pay a visit one of these days. What can you say, guys? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook channel. Keep safe and have a good day.